My name is Eider, and I am a postdoctoral researcher at Caerdydd University. As a postdoctoral researcher, I work in the development of microfluidic devices that enable the automatized growth of cells derived from human colorectal tumors. My work as a postdoctoral researcher is quite variegated and involves a diversity of activities, including the planning and performance of experiments, reading and keeping up with the latest advances of the field, the training of new members, and writing grants and papers. I could say that being a researcher is a very demanding profession, but also a very rewarding job where you will be constantly creating and learning. There are various women that have shaped my personal and professional development, but I would mention two of them. First, my mom, who has been always an example of resilience. She brought me up thinking that with the appropriate effort, dedication, and attitude, there is nothing you cannot accomplish. And I'm also greatly inspired every day by Dr. Catherine Hogan, who is a group leader in Caerdydd University and was also my PhD assessor, not only by the excellent science that she drives, but also by the way that she manages her research group and nurtures the development of students and lab members. Catherine is extremely talented and always goes beyond to help others, which really makes the scientific community a better place. As an advice to someone starting in my field, I would say don't put boundaries to yourself. Don't be discouraged by rejection or negative results, and just keep trying.